Alright guys, got that Ranger engine rebuilt. Probably gonna have to get a new clutch cover because that thing's whistling a little bit. It's rubbing on the clutch, it's warped. But yeah, got this bad boy back together. I'll show you what she does. Here's the clutch cover. Check this out. Hit the 4-wheel drive button, put it in gear, doesn't go on. If I push on it, the shifter goes on. So I had adjusted the shift linkage. So the shift linkage is right here. Adjusted that in and out. Further forward I went. I got it to go into high gear, but then it wouldn't go in reverse. So I went back the other way. I kind of messed around with it, went back and forth. These wires right here that actually go to the shifter that engage the 4-wheel drive are my problem. There's some connection in here that's not correct. I mean, literally, if I have to jam this all the way and hold it to get that to light up, it's a problem with the shifter. So I've done this on a 500 and a 700. I'm going to bypass the shift indicator switch, run that hot to the all-wheel drive switch. So when I flip on the switch, no matter what gear I'm in, power will come on and it will engage, and that way I won't have to mess with that sloppy shifter. Because finding these parts are a bear, especially for a 99. I might be able to make a shifter off a Sportsman work, but I really don't want to mess with it. So I'm going to run a hot switch, a hot wire going to the switch, and that way I can turn it on and off, so that way it's not on all the time. That, get myself a clutch cover, and this thing should be good to go. Runs sweet. Alright guys, hope you like this video, and like always, till next time.